Realme's latest affordable smartphone called Realme P3x is now official in India, with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P3x features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 950 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by armor shell glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 10 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Realme P3x sports a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel portrait lens, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.22 by 7.94 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P3x 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from February 28th. In lunar silver, midnight blue, and stellar pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P3x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.